The next question says the cable of a washing machine contains three separate wires. There is a fuse in one of the wires. Explain how the earth wire and the fuse work together to make washing machine safer. So there are two things. There are three separate wires which contains a grounded wire or earth wire, and then there is a fuse in one of the wire, and fuse is always connected in live wire. Now both of them play their role in the protection of the instrument or the washing machine. The first thing, what is the function of the earth wire? If the live wire touches the body of the machine, the current is grounded by the earth wire. This is one way of the protection. Similarly, if there are overcurrents in live wire, then the fuse melts or disconnects the supply. So this is another protection which is because of the fuse present in the live wire. State the name of the wire in which fuse is connected. So it is always connected in live wire. Explain why the fuse is connected into the live wire. When fuse is melted, the live wire is not connected to the high potential. So for disconnecting the device from the high potential, we connect the fuse into the live wire. The cable of a hairdryer contains only two wires. State the name of each of these wires. So one of them would be live wire and the other one would be neutral wire. And if there is third wire present, then that is the earth or the ground wire. Suggest why the hair dryer does not need an earth wire. So the reason is there would be double insulation, or the casing would be plastic, and it is a poor conductor. So for devices like these where normally not a very high current is flowing, earth wire is not needed. Simply double insulation or making the plastic body would be sufficient for the protection purposes.